Hello guys, this is Dr. Srinath Mangalekar from the channel Mathematics for All. Okay. Till now, we have completed chapter 1 of field theory as a part of our regular lectures. Along with these regular lectures, we will have a parallel sessions in which we are giving some ideas to the students of undergraduate and postgraduate. What are the fields where they can go apart from the teaching as well as home tutors. Along with this, we are also going for the faculties as well as the research students to tell them or to show them what are the recent applied as well as pure mathematical research fields in which they can do their research. So today we are going to deliver a lecture on a recent research topic in mathematics, that is functional fractional calculus. Mainly, most of the mathematics is called as a fractional calculus, which is a new way of research in mathematics. So what is the application of fractional calculus? Or first of all, what is a fractional calculus? Whatever the calculus you have done till now, most of them calculus have converted into the fraction part. Differentiation, integrations, and so on. Differential equations, partial differential equations, linear differential equations, non-linear differential equations. Having most of the applications in physics, financial mathematics, mathematical modeling, oil industries, again in biomathematics recently, signal and image processing, yes, fluid mechanics, PID controllers, etc. You can find out lots of applications in daily life. We have given some specific applications here. You can find out the area. There you have fractional calculus. Now, what are the basic requirements for research in various fields of fractional calculus? Or to have a fractional calculus well known, what are the basic requirements you should read first of all? That is integer order calculus. Yes, as a word fractional calculus tells you that you should need a calculus well ordered. Now here the study should be in well manner. So first of all you should read integer order calculus completely. Then you have knowledge of ODEs and PDEs, boundary value problems. Then you have knowledge of complex analysis, in which most of the applications are deal with Cauchy integration formula, all their applications. Then we have poles and so on. Then we have probability theory for the convergence. Then we have integral transforms for analytic solutions of ODEs and PDEs, fractional order. Yes, because we have fractional integral transforms also, specifically Laplace, fractional Laplace transform, fractional Fourier transformations in image processing and signal processing. Yes, then have special functions, because each special function have its own applications in different areas. So you should know what are the special functions. There are lots of special function. We have a complete around I think 800 pages book. Completely depends on special functions with applications towards the fractional calculus. Then we have basic electrical engineering book. Okay, or engineering you can study first of all engineering, mathematics, then electrical engineering with application towards the PIDs. Most of the applications of fractional calculus are in PIDs. Now there are the solutions in which you can have the analytic solution as well as numerical solution. So you should know the numerical methods and dynamical systems for the system of differential equation, fractional differential equations, of course. Okay. So these are the basic requirements. More than as a part of your research you can study apart from this also. Then we'll go towards the journals which are specifically for fractional calculus. So they are specifically only for fractional calculus and their applications. I am giving this book fractional calculus journal specific because you should know what are the current trends going on in fractional calculus and its application, you just go to these journals and you will get what are the current trends or what is the current research is going in the fractional calculus areas. Apart from these journals, we have lots of journals having scope in fractional calculus also, but these are the specific journals with fractional calculus applications. The first one, the most celebrated journal is FCA in fractional calculus, that is Fractional Calculus and Applied Analysis, having around 3.5 impact factor. So this is the strongest journal in fractional calculus. Each paper gives you a way towards the research in fractional calculus and its applications. So you can go to the website, put fractional calculus and applied analysis complete word, because there are the journals, dubious journals having the same name. Okay, so be aware of that also. Then second, the Journal of Fractional Calculus and Applications. It's a peer-reviewed journal. Now this publishes both surveys as well as review and research articles also. So you can have the survey on some study of fractional calculus and applications, review of some papers, complete review of some papers, then it publishes these articles also. So if you are interested for the survey or reviews article, then you can go for JFCA. Then we have PFDA. This is a good journal recently added into the Scopus Index journal, that is Progress in Fractional Differentiation and Applications. Okay, it's an international and interdisciplinary journal by Natural Science Publications. Okay, it's a high quality manuscript in the emerging field of fractional differentiations. From the name also you can see what are the scopes, aims and scopes. Okay, then we have FDC, that is Fractional Differential Calculus, which publishes original research papers of fractional differential and integral calculus with applications related towards the engineering and sciences. Now if you are interested towards the integral transform and special functions, then we have ATNFS, SF, heavily publications. So integral transforms and special function, it is again a journal with high impact factor, belongs to the basic subject of mathematical analysis. The theory of differential and integral equation, approximations theory, and many other pure areas of pure and applied mathematics, including fractional calculus also. Then we have fractals and fractionals. As we know, the fractal and fractional both are different areas of mathematics, but they have the relations. How they are related, we can see the papers based on this fractals and fractionals, so that those who are interested in fractals along with the fraction calculus, they can go for this journal and take the articles from this journal. Apart from this journal, there are lots of journals having the scope of fractional calculus and its applications. We will have in the next lecture, or we will put up in the comment box also the related research papers which can be downloaded from various journals. Or those who are interested can put up their questions in the comment box apart from these journals. Now, as we know, before going to the journal, one should know the knowledge of fractional calculus. So for that, we have some specific books which I suggest, some specific books to study fractional calculus with their own research interest, because some of them have interest in chemistry, some of them have interest in physics, some of them have interest in mathematical modeling, some of them have interest in financial mathematics. So for all them, or some are starting with the fractional calculus. So for all of them, we have a list of books, specific list of books. There are other than this also, but you should go through this book. I think the first one is the Fractional Calculus Theory and Applications of Differentiation and Integration to Arbitrary Order. This is a book which well prepared, basic fractional calculus also, with applications towards the chemistry, general towards advanced undergraduate and graduate students also. So the graduate students can also read this book. This is the book in fractional calculus which have applications towards the chemistry. Then we have Fractional Calculus, an introduction for physicists by Richard Herman. having background, if you have a background of engineering and physics, yes, then this is the good book for you. Then we have Fractional Calculus, an introduction for physicists, again by Richard Huggman. Along with the basic fractional calculus knowledge, the applications you can have in physics as a mechanics, frictions, damping, oscillations, group theory, quantum mechanics, nuclear physics, and so on towards the quantum field theory also. We'll have in the next lecture, that is what is quantum field theory, topological quantum field, that is again another part of research area. Then we have introduction to fractional control. So if you are interested in electrical engineering, then you can have a book on this, introduction to fractional controls, outlines the theory, techniques and applications of fractional control. After the initial introduction to fractional control, the book explored many fractional control systems. Then we have the book by Fractional Calculus, Theory and Applications by V.D. Gedji. This book deals with the introduction to fractional calculus. So those who are beginners can read this book also. Everybody, the beginner who don't know even the basic concepts in fractional, they should go the Fractional Differential Equation by Podlubny. This book is a milestone in the field of fractional calculus. Every researcher from the field of fractional calculus should go once in a lifetime through this book, what I think. Now if you are interested towards the applications of mathematical modeling, then you have Methods of Mathematical Modeling, Fractional Differential Equations. This kind of a book which is edited by Singh, Kumar and Bolenu. It's a collection of some papers, original articles, or you can have papers on mathematical modeling and fractional calculus. Then if you are interested, that is what I already stated, fractals and fractional, then you can have this book, Fractals and Fractional Calculus in Continuum Mechanics by Alberto and Francisco. This book gives much more emphasis on fractals along with the fractional calculus. Now if you are interested in financial economics, financial mathematics, then you have this book, 9th one, that is Fractional Calculus and Fractional Processes with Applications to Financial Economics, Theory and Application. Important applications toward the option pricing, continuous time random walk, time series analysis, etc. And now recently we have the book that is Functional Fractional Calculus by Shantanu Das, one of the best books which illustrated the fractional calculus, were elaborated mathematically, physically and geometrically also. Each chapter of this book gives you a, you can say, as a part of a research. Okay, say one chapter is completely devoted towards the engineering, one chapter devoted towards the financial parts, one chapter devoted towards the dynamical system, and so on. So you can have a book like this with applications towards the most of the parts of mathematics. Then you should read this book, Functional Fractional Calculus by Shantanu Das. So these are the basic books. Along with this, you can have lots of theoretical books on the Google also. So you can go through this. But these are the specific books one should go if you are interested for doing the research in fractional calculus with applications to various fields. Thank you. For more details about the fractional calculus, please subscribe the channel, or you can comment below this video. You will definitely get the answer as early as possible. Thank you very much.